Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, so take a moment and subscribe my channel below. Today, we are going to illustrate Eid illustration. This illustration captures a quiet moment of reflection during the joyous celebration of Eid al-Fitr. In the image, a young boy is shown sitting behind a mosque, reading from the Quran. The scene is peaceful and contemplative, with the boy's posture and expression conveying a sense of The mosque in the background is depicted with its distinctive architectural features, such as minarets and domes, and surrounded by trees and other greenery. The warm, vibrant colors used in the illustration evoke the festive spirit of Eid al-Fitr. This image represents the religious and cultural traditions that are associated with Eid al-Fitr, a significant holiday in the Islamic calendar that marks the end of Ramadan, the month of fasting. Muslims around the world celebrate this occasion by gathering for prayer, sharing food and gifts, and spending time with loved ones. The boy in the illustration is a symbol of the importance of the Quran in Islamic culture and the role it plays in shaping the lives of Muslims. By reading the Quran during this auspicious time, the boy is connecting with his faith and deepening his understanding of its teachings. Overall, this illustration captures the essence of Eid al-Fitr, a time of reflection, gratitude, and celebration for Muslims around the world. An illustration of Eid al-Fitr might depict people gathering for prayer at a mosque or in an outdoor space. Muslims usually wear their best clothes on this day, so the illustration might show people dressed in colorful traditional clothing. Another common feature of Eid al-Fitr is the exchange of gifts and food, so the illustration might include images of people sharing food or giving presents. Some other elements that could be included in an Eid al-Fitr illustration include a crescent moon, which is a symbol of the Islamic calendar and the start of the new month of Shawwal. Lanterns or lights, which are sometimes used to decorate homes and streets during Eid celebrations. Dates or other traditional foods that are often eaten during Eid. Children playing or participating in traditional games or activities, such as henna art or singing traditional songs. Decorative patterns or calligraphy featuring Islamic phrases or blessings. Overall, an Eid al-Fitr illustration should convey the joy and celebration that comes with the end of Ramadan and the start of a new month in the Islamic calendar. Thank you guys for watching this illustration. And if you reach till end, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.